Stimulating hair growth involves acting on the scalp. We give you home remedies for the production of new hair.
Everyone wants to have strong, thick and abundant hair, but it is not such an easy task,
especially for those who suffer from hair loss problems.
The causes are varied, from genetic factors to bad eating habits, hormones, stress, natural techniques to grow hair. You should know that the home remedies that we show you below are not miraculous, but they are a good help to stimulate hair growth and improve its health.
In addition, we will make it grow with more strength, density and body.
Tricks and remedies to revitalize your hair.
1. Massages to stimulate the scalp.
Massaging the scalp is one of the most effective natural remedies to grow new hair. If you do it regularly, you will see how much hair grows, as these massages stimulate blood circulation in the area and facilitate the drainage of toxins. They also allow the hair follicles to be better nourished, making hair grow stronger, thicker and healthier. To perform them effectively, it is best to apply some natural oil that helps stimulate hair growth. The best essential oils for hair recovery are rosemary oil, bergamot oil, thyme oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil or peppermint oil. Dilute 5 to 6 drops of the chosen oil with 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, for example olive or almond oil. Massage the scalp with this mixture and distribute the lotion gently with your fingertips.
Do this for 10 minutes and leave the product on for an hour.
Finally, rinse and wash as usual, repeating the treatment once a week.
2. Onion. We know that its smell is not at all pleasant, but its results speak for themselves.
It is one of the star ingredients for hair recovery. In fact, many shampoos include it to stimulate hair growth. This is because its high sulfur content is ideal for improving blood flow to the scalp, oxygenating the roots and providing the nutrients needed for hair to grow strong and healthy. To prepare this remedy, blend 2 peeled onions, reserve their juice in a bowl and apply on the scalp, massaging the area gently for a few minutes. Put on a shower cap and leave on for 30 minutes, then wash twice to eliminate the bad smell and use a conditioner.
3. Egg. This protein-packed food prevents hair from weakening and breaking easily, while adding thickness, density and strength. It is perfect for combating slow growth and hair loss thanks to biotin, a vitamin that nourishes hair follicles, making hair grow healthily. It also adds a lot of shine and softness to the mane, and you only have to beat 1 or 2 eggs, depending on how long your hair is, and apply it on it from the roots to the ends.
Massage in circular motions with special emphasis on the mid-lengths and ends. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, rinse and wash as usual. 4. Fenugreek seeds. To restore hair and make it grow stronger and more abundant, fenugreek is a perfect ally. This herb is ideal for slowing hair loss and stimulating hair growth because it contains vitamins A, B6, B12, C and E, iron and zinc. They are responsible for strengthening the hair fibers and promote irrigation of the hair follicles, also moisturizing the hair and strengthening it thanks to its high lecithin content. Place 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in a pot of water and let them soak for 24 hours. After that time, strain and reserve the water, which is what we will pour through the hair as a hair rinse, massaging for a few minutes.
Let it act for 20 to 30 minutes and wash your hair as usual. 5.
Coconut and avocado oil. By combining the properties of these 2 ingredients, we will elaborate a mixture that will not only recover the hair in a healthy, fast and strong way, but it is also an excellent remedy to prevent hair aging and revitalize the mane.
To achieve this, heat 3 tablespoons of coconut oil until it becomes liquid.
Peel an avocado and mash it with a fork, mix it with the warm coconut oil and apply from the roots to the ends.
Leave on for 15 minutes, rinse hair and wash as usual. If you like this video, leave me a comment telling me from which country you are watching.